Hello everyone, welcome to Yellow Quiz. In this video, I am going to talk about
Substitute function replaces a specified piece of text with a different piece of text. Let's understand the substitute function with the help of example. I will take knowledge platform as an example, and instead of knowledge platform, I need it as learning platform. So I will replace knowledge with learning, and let's try with substitute function. Equal to substitute, open the bracket, select the cell reference of the text, comma, select the text to be replaced, comma, and select the new text, close the bracket and press enter. See, if we observe, the updated text is as the previous text. Why is it so? Let's cross check with another example. I'll take same example. Without changing any formula, I'll just drag to get the result. See, here the knowledge has been changed as learning. It is because the substitute function is case sensitive, which means for this function, the uppercase letter and lowercase letter should be noted. If the text contains uppercase letter in the beginning or as a sentence case, even in the text to be replaced should be in the same format. It should not be changed. So we have to keep a note on this regarding case sensitive. Let's check for another example. I will take text as some codes like ABC, hyphen, not one. It may be a serial number and their batch number. Like that, I have taken 3 examples. Okay. Suppose here I want to change serial number 01 as some X. Okay. So I'll type 01 in the old text and in new text as X. Let's try with substitute function. Equal to substitute, open the bracket, select the cell reference of the text followed by cell reference of the old text, comma, then cell reference of the new text, close the bracket and press enter. See what happened here? Both the numbers got changed. I need only the serial number should be changed. I don't want the batch number to be changed. So for that, what we have to do? We have to change the formula as equal to substitute, open the bracket, select the cell reference of the text, select the cell reference of the text which need to be changed, then select the cell reference of the new text, then insert comma. There exists instance number, which means the occurrence of the number. Suppose if we give 1, only the first position of that old text will be changed. Let's try this. Close the bracket and press enter. See, only the first position has changed. Let's try for another one. Here, I'll keep 0. I want to change 0 as Y, equal to substitute, open the bracket, select the cell reference of the text, followed by select the cell reference of the old text, comma, select the cell reference of the new text, comma, then type 2, close the bracket and press enter. See, the 0 of the batch number has been changed as Y. Like that, we can able to change for all. A question arises whether the text should be a similar character, which means like I have to change only 2 character instead of 2, like that. Let's try with some 3 or 4. I will take GHI and I want to change it as Yellow Grace, equal to substitute, open the bracket, select the cell reference of the text, comma, select the cell reference of the old text, then select the cell reference of the new text, close the bracket and press enter. See, it is not restricted to only specific characters like that. We can change 2 character as 5 or 7 or anything. Like we can change from number to text, text to number. Now another question arises, whether I can able to change a single value or different values at a time. Let's try with a sentence format so that I can able to change 3 different words with 3 other. Okay, I'll take YG is a knowledge platform. Okay, now I want to change Y as yellow, G as grace, and then knowledge as learning. Let's try with using substitute function. Equal to substitute, open the bracket, again substitute because I want to change for 3 times, then open the bracket, again substitute. At first I want to change Y, so first I will select the cell reference of the text, then comma, insert Y inside the double inverted comma, then it should be replaced as yellow, close the bracket, then insert comma, then second I want to substitute G as grace, then no need to select the cell reference of the text, just type the text to be replaced like old text and new text. Insert G, comma, then insert grace, close the bracket and insert comma, then change knowledge as learning, so knowledge, comma, insert learning inside the double inverted comma, then close the bracket and then press enter. See, Y is changed as yellow, G is changed as grace, and knowledge is changed as learning. By this way, we can change either all occurrence of the text or multiple values of the text at a time using substitute function. I hope you understand about substitute function. Thank you.